County Materials precast concrete box culverts should be assembled following approved specifications. Specifications may vary by state and administering authority, and assembly procedures may differ from what is presented here. This video demonstrates how to satisfactorily join precast concrete box culverts manufactured by County Materials. Joining may also be referred to as homing concrete segments. Joining or homing refers to the act of connecting two segments of concrete culverts. The assembly shown will cover two different precast concrete box culvert joints, including a prelubricated profile gasket assembly and a tongue and groove joint with butyl rubber sealant assembly. The single offset box joint can be used with either a pre-lubricated gasket or a butyl rubber sealant, depending on project requirements and local specifications. Always follow the sealant manufacturer's recommendations. This demonstration shows a pre-lubricated profile gasket assembly for precast concrete box culverts. Depending on project specifications and availability, County Materials may provide gaskets with our precast concrete box culverts. County Materials will install the gasket at the manufacturing facility prior to delivery, per the gasket manufacturer's recommendations. Similarly, any on-site installation of new gaskets should follow the gasket manufacturer's recommendations. Clean all dirt and debris from the concrete box culvert spigot with a stiff bristle brush. Inspect the gasket before placement. Stretch the gasket on the spigot end around the entire circumference. Orient the gasket splice at the bottom of the box culvert spigot. Adhesive may be required by the gasket manufacturer along the bottom of the box culvert spigot, but is not being shown here. The gasket nose sits flush with the spigot shoulder. The gasket lies flat on the spigot. Inspect the bell of the adjoining box culvert and clean it with a stiff bristle brush so it is free of debris and dirt. Prepare to join or home the box culvert joint by centering the two segments. When homing the joint, be sure the two segments are aligned straight with each other and not angled in any direction. Misalignment can damage the box culvert or gasket during homing. Ensure the gasket is properly placed and touches the lead-in taper around the entire circumference before slowly pushing the box culvert home. The homing process will cause the lubricated gasket to roll over itself above the compression section, allowing the culvert to home. This demonstration shows a tongue and groove joint with butyl rubber sealant assembly for precast concrete box culverts. Depending on project and local specifications, multiple joint materials may be acceptable. Clean all dirt and debris from the box culvert spigot with a stiff bristle brush. Inspect the material before placement. Depending on specifications and availability, County Materials may provide butyl rubber sealants with our precast concrete box culverts. Measure to find the midline of the culvert and then mark 6 inches above this midpoint on each side of the bell and 6 inches below this midpoint on each side of the spigot to indicate where the sealant should start and end. Place the butyl rubber sealant on the bottom half of the bell, starting from the first measurement previously marked and ensuring the sealant meets the second measurement mark. Place the butyl rubber sealant on the top half of the spigot only, starting from the first measurement previously marked and ensuring the sealant meets the second measurement mark. If one sealant strip does not reach all the way around the bottom half of the bell or the top half of the spigot, use additional sealant following the sealant manufacturer's recommendations. Mold the two ends into one continuous piece of sealant. Press the sealant down with slight pressure to ensure adhesion to both the bell and the spigot before the tape is removed, but do not flatten the sealant. After the tape is removed, pinch together any seams to create a homogeneous seal. Do not remove the backing paper from the butyl rubber sealant until homing. When joining or homing the joint, be sure the two segments are aligned straight with each other and not angled in any direction. Misalignment can damage the box culvert during homing. Ensure the butyl rubber sealant touches the lead-in taper around the entire circumference before pushing the culvert section home. The butyl rubber sealant will compress during homing. These joint assembly demonstrations are for precast concrete box culverts manufactured by County Materials. For more information, contractors and specifiers are encouraged to seek additional information and resources from the American Concrete Pipe Association. County Materials precast concrete box culverts should be assembled following industry-approved specifications and are contingent upon your community's local standards and regulations. Gaskets and butyl rubber sealants should be stored away from the elements, including direct sunlight, and protected from extreme temperatures. There are various types of gaskets and sealants available. Contractors should confirm the specified material is on site prior to the start of installation. Additional resources and information can be found in ASTM. Please also check with your state's Department of Transportation specifications regarding gaskets and sealants to be used with precast concrete box culverts.